Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a noun. That means a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, we can say a red apple. Here, red describes the apple's color. We can say a tall building. The word tall tells us the size of the building. Or a happy child. The word happy describes how the child feels. Adjectives usually answer questions like, what kind? A beautiful flower. How many? 3 books. Which one? This car. So adjectives make sentences more interesting and detailed. Instead of saying, I saw a dog, you can say, I saw a small, playful dog. See how much better it sounds? That's why adjectives are so important. They help bring our words to life. Subscribe Easy English with AI.